In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a folder in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and choose the workspace you want to organize. This is important because everything you create, including folders and lists, will live inside the workspace you select. Once you're in the right place, open the space where you want to create your folder. Think of a space as a broad category for your work, while a folder helps you group related lists together in a more structured way. Next, look beside the space name and click the plus icon. This is where you can add new items inside that space. From the menu that appears, select Folder. After that, enter a name for your folder and click Create Folder. Choose a name that clearly reflects the type of work it will contain, so it's easier to recognize later when your workspace grows. Once the folder has been created, open it and click New List. Lists are where you'll usually separate different parts of your work, such as projects, phases, teams, or workflows. Type in a name for the list and create it. You can then continue adding more lists inside the folder to organize related projects or workflows together. This is especially useful when several work streams belong to the same larger category and you want to keep everything neatly grouped in one place. After your lists are set up, open a list and start creating tasks for the work you want to manage. Tasks are the actual action items your team will complete, so this is where the day-to-day work begins. Keeping tasks inside the right list makes everything easier to track and update. If you already have an existing list somewhere else in your space, you can move it into the folder instead of creating a new one from scratch. To do that, simply drag the list into the folder from the sidebar. This can save time and help you reorganize your setup without rebuilding your work manually. To make your folder even more useful, click plus a view beside the folder views and select a view type. Different views can help you look at the same work in different ways depending on what you need. Finally, use the folder level view to see tasks from every list inside the folder. This gives you a broader overview of everything happening across related lists, which is great for monitoring progress and staying organized. Thanks for watching.